If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Well, hey, Larry here, and how y'all doing today? I thought I'd get on here for a little bit and tell you what's going to be going on. So, what I want to ask anybody out there that may be watching this video, if you'd like to leave a comment for the upcoming events I'm going to be talking about. And one is going to be about this Noodler's ink. It's going to be on Bay State Blue, one of my favorite all-time inks. And I'm going to tell you how I use it and how it affects me, my pens, and do I not have designated pens that I use it in, and the pens I don't use it in, and am I scared of using the ink? I'm going to talk about that. And I've done a video on this before years ago, but I just thought I want to really dive into a little bit of the taste of Bay State Blue, one of the all-time greats. I know, a lot of horror stories out there. People don't like it. They've done tests, it ruins the nibs, it does this, it does that. A lot of negativity out there, and I can dig it, that's your opinion. And if you watch my videos, I've ran some tests on it. I guess I was lucky because nothing ever happened to my pens, but I think you might want to watch the next upcoming talk about Bay State Blue, because this is one ink I'll never stop using. I really like it. And Nathan, as far as I'm concerned, done a great job. I love that color, the way it looks, the way it pops. It's a lot of fun to use. So that's one of them. And then I want to talk about custom pens. This is a Twisby Echo. And right here is a Mike Green custom pen called Tiger Eye. Talk a little bit about these. And we'll go from there. How's that? So leave your comments below. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave your comments below. Okay? Now I want to do that amazing, fun time mail call. Okay. Well, I thought I'd get on here today and do something because I'm tired of not being able to get on here. And that's only my fault, I know. But today is Tuesday, about 10 minutes till 8 Central Time. So we got a mail call here. And then I've got a review coming up too on a Pelican that John sent me. Thanks, John. So, yeah, I got some more reviews. Also, I want to talk about, I'll be doing a review on, you heard is it the Fisher Price we talked about in this?
No, the Fisher Space Pen.
Yeah. Well, Yougers has come out with their own model. And I was really impressed. And the way they write was really impressive. So we'll get all to that upcoming events. Lots to do, right? Alrighty. And is it Galen? Galen. Don't forget the name Galen. Gentleman from Turkey. Family him started into making journals, pen sleeves, and he has really done an incredible job. So we're going to be talking about him. He is from Istanbul, Turkey. So Gillian, I hope you're doing well, you and family. I believe Gillian is his son, and I believe they named the business after him. So right, here we go. Here we go. What did we get in the mail today? Feeling pretty good today. Thank you. And this is from a friend of mine. Thank you, Bill. Bill and I have been pen pals and friends 8-9 years. Long time, right? Long time. And we still have yet to not write each other. He sent me a Quebecois. Very cool. Very, very cool. Loving it. And we'll get into that. Ah, a one I needed too. I have a small one, but this is the one. Very nice. Thank you, Bill. And converter and a 1.1 millimeter stub. It's a black nib, Bonk nib rather. Yeah. All right. So we got to see what this baby does. And look at this baby. All right. A lot of fun things in here to look at. Yes, sir. Well, that will be coming up in a nice letter. And Bill, I promise I will be getting to you. And to everybody that has sent me letters, I do apologize that I haven't gotten back to you. I mean, I know they're like 2-3 months old. But I am going to send some short little cards to you. I was going to do that today, but didn't get around to it. So that's going to do it for today. But again, leave your comments below about your inks. Tell me about Bay State Blue. That's what I want to hear about. Tell me your horror stories or your happy stories about using Bay State Blue. And what pens do you use it in? And what pens you won't use it in. There's no right or wrong answer to this. It's your preference. And we'll start the ball rolling from there. Also, last but not least, do you have a favorite pen case? Could it be Galleon? Could it be the Yak? Could it be a Visconti, a Sailor? Could it be what? It's entirely up to you. And we'll get the show started. It's going to be a pretty cool event. So, yeah, I'm feeling pretty good this afternoon. And we're going to go from there. And until then, take care. God bless. Enjoy your life every day. Peace and love. Be kind to a stranger. And as always, don't text and don't drive. Bye-bye.